Scheduling controls when your scenarios run in Make. Let me show you how to set it up. For any scenario that has a scheduled trigger, you'll notice here there's a clock icon on the very first module, the trigger module, and this means that this is a scheduled run. For any scenario with a scheduled trigger, you'll see this clock icon on the very first module. And to adjust the trigger, there's two places where you can adjust it, either by clicking on this clock symbol directly, or also at the bottom here next to the activation toggle, you'll see what the current scheduling is set to, and we can also click into that to adjust the scheduling settings. The default scheduling is for our scenario to run at regular intervals where you can set the amount of minutes between each run. So in this case, our automation will run every 15 minutes. The lowest amount of minutes we can set this to is 1, meaning every single minute our automation will run. This is great for getting most fresh, accurate data. However, this does have an impact on the amount of credits this automation will consume. Additionally, we can also add some advanced scheduling here at regular intervals where we could say only certain hours of the day. So maybe we want to check quite regularly every 15 minutes, but only between the working hours of 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. and on certain days of the week. So we could select just Monday through to Friday, for instance, and we could also select specific months where this schedule should run. Apart from regular intervals, we also have a few different options here. We can run our scenario once, meaning we can set a date in the future. This could be good if you need to activate a scenario to trigger a campaign, for instance. We also have every single day, where here we can stipulate what time every single day the scenario will run. We also have days of the week, where you can select which days of the week your scenario will run and at which time of the day it should run. Same for days of the month. So here, for instance, if you need an automation to run on the very first or the last day of every single month at a given time. Specified dates lets you pick which month the automation should run on, what specific days of those months, and finally, what time of day. One additional option is on-demand scheduling. This is intended if you want your scenario to be a sub-scenario or a scenario that will be used by an AI agent.